In this video, we will configure the Confluence OAuth OIDC SSO plugin by integrating Keycloak as the OAuth OpenID provider. Let's begin. First, open the miniOrange OAuth OIDC SSO app in Confluence and click on Configure. Next, click on Add New App and select Keycloak as the OAuth provider. Now, switch to the Keycloak Admin Console. Under the Manage section, select Clients, and then click on Create Client. On the Create Client screen, select Client Type. Choose OpenID Connect as the client type. Enter your client ID to identify this OAuth client. Enter the client name. Click Next to continue with the client setup process. In the Capability Configuration section, enable both client authentication and authorization. Click Next to proceed further. Now, switch back to the miniOrange OAuth OIDC SSO app in Confluence. Click Copy Link to copy the OAuth callback URL needed for Keycloak. Go back to the Keycloak Admin Console and paste this callback URL into the Valid Redirect URIs field. Click Save. Next, return to the miniOrange OAuth OIDC SSO app. In the Application Details section, enter the name to your OAuth application. Fill the client ID to match the Keycloak client configuration. To get the client secret, head back to the Keycloak Admin Console and open the Credentials tab of the client. Copy the client secret and paste it into the respective field in the miniOrange OAuth app. Now, enter the realm name to match your Keycloak configuration and set the scope as OpenID, profile, and email. Enter the domain URL of your Keycloak server in the appropriate field and select the Keycloak version from the dropdown. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. To verify the setup, click on the Test Configuration button. If everything is configured correctly, the test will show a successful status. Now, when users log into Confluence, they will see the option to log in using OAuth Login. Upon clicking it, they will be redirected to Keycloak, where they can enter their username and password and click on the Sign In button. After successful authentication, users will be redirected back to Confluence. They can then go to their profile section to confirm that their user details have been successfully fetched from Keycloak. That's it. You've successfully configured OAuth OIDC single sign-on for Confluence using Keycloak as the OAuth provider. Thank you for watching.